In a basketball game, Roger, Nicholas, and Quinton scored 106 points altogether. Roger scored 15 points. 15 points more points, Lord have mercy. 15 more points than Quinton, who scored 5 points above Nicholas. How many points did Nicholas score? Alright, that's why you have to have an editor when you're producing tests. Alright, so I'll reread that. In a basketball game, Roger, Nicholas, and Quinton scored 106 points altogether. Roger scored 15 more points than Quinton, who scored 5 points above Nicholas. How many points did Nicholas score? This was a comma I tried to make there. Alright, let's see if we can find out the order in which boys scored points. Roger scored 15 more points than Quinton, so we know Roger had more than Quinton. So let's draw bar for Roger. Alright, Roger. Let's draw bar for Quinton. Quinton. Alright. Had it not been for the 15 more that Roger had, they would have had the same amount. Carol, can we load that down, please? Very quickly. Very, very quickly. Thank you. Good. So Roger has 15 more than Quinton, as we can see in the diagram here. So let's continue. Quinton, who scored 5 points above Nicholas. This who here is still talking about Quinton. So that means Quinton scored 5 more than Nicholas. Alright? Had it not been for this 5 here, Quinton and Nicholas would have had the same amount. Or the same number of points. Great. So let's compare now. All 3 boys would have had the same number of points if Roger's, Nicholas's, and Quinton's looked the same. So let's start from Nicholas and let's go up with a dotted line. Let me change the color. Alright, so I'm using a dotted line going up. This is how many Nicholas has. This is how many Quinton would have had if they had the same amount, number. And this is how many Roger would have had if we had the same number. What is the difference between Roger's and Quinton's? It's 15 more. Roger and Quinton. But what's the difference between Roger and Nicholas? It's 15 plus 5. Alright, this part here represents 5, so this part here represents 5 as well. And this is where some people would have left out. So all the extras are the 5 here, the 15 here, the 5 there. You take out the extras and then you have 3 equal parts. What are you taking away the extras from? You are taking away the extras from 106. So 106 take away, what are the extras? 15 and 5, 20 and 5, 25. 25. Are we seeing here, right? We added these, 15 plus 5 plus 5. 106 take away 25. 6 take away 5 is 1. And 10 take away 2 is 8. So that's 81. What does that 81 represent? The 3 equal parts together. These 3 equal parts together is what the 81 represents. So when you divide the 81 by 3, 3 into 8, 2. 2 3s are 6. 8 take away 6 is 2. Bring down the 1. 3 into 21, 7. So one of the equal parts is 27. 27. 27. We can easily find out how many, not that they asked, But if the question was how many points did Roger score, we could easily add 27 to 5 to 15. If we had to find out how many points Quinton scored, it would be 27 plus 5. If we're finding, and because we're finding out how many Nicholas scored, it's 27. Crack, crack. Thank you.